St. Thomas English Medium Higher Secondary School, Class 2, Subject Computer by Richa Garg. Hello students, I welcome you all to this classroom. In this chapter, Computer Machine, Start and Shut Down, we will study Computer a Machine, Humans and Computers, Types of Computers, Starting and Shutting Down, down a Computer. Children, do you remember what is this? This is a machine. This machine we will call it as a computer. Children, do you know what does machine do? Machine makes our work easy. All machines have been made by humans. A computer is a very useful machine. With the help of computer, we can listen to music, watch movies, we can play games, draw and solve many sums with the help of a computer. A computer needs electricity to work. So the computer is an electronic machine. Humans and computers. A computer is a wonderful machine. A computer can do many things that we can do. So, are computers different from humans in any way, students? Let us find out, students. A computer can work very fast, but a human being cannot work as fast as a computer. A computer does not make any mistake, but a human can make mistake. A computer never gets tired, but a human can get tired after some time. A computer can do the same work over and over again. It never gets bored, but humans may sometimes get bored doing the same kind of work over and over again. A computer has a very good memory. It never forgets the information stored in it. But humans can forget the information stored in their mind. A computer does not have any feelings and cannot take any decisions. But humans have feelings and can take decisions. So by this you can see that there are many things between differences between computers and humans. Types of computers. Computers are of different types and comes in different size. Let's talk about the desktop computer. Desktop computer is a computer that are kept on the desk. Is called a desktop computers. Now let's talk about the laptop. Small computers that can be kept in our lap are called laptop computer. Now let's talk about the palm top computer. Smaller computers that can fit into the palm of our hand are called palm tops computer. Okay children, now you have seen the types of computer. Now let's move to the next one. Starting and shutting down a computer. A computer is a machine and like a television or a fridge runs on electricity, that is called a electronic machine. Okay, just like a television or a fridge, a computer too can be switched on and off. This is also called starting and shutting down a computer. Starting a computer. There is a proper way to start a computer. There are 4 steps to start a computer. Let me show you the 4 steps, children. The first one is switch on the power supply button. Then second step is switch on the UPS button. After that, children, third step is switch on the power button on the CPU. And the fourth step is switch on the monitor button. These are the 4 steps to start a Computer. Icons. What are icons, children? Children, when you will on the computer, the first screen which appears on the monitor, that screen is called a desktop, and where you can see a small pictures on the monitor, that is on the desktop, that you call it as a icons. A small pictures which appears on the desktop is called a icons. Shutting down a computer. Children, do you know how to shut down a computer? Okay, we will study today how to shut down a computer. There are 4 steps to shut down a computer. Let's see the first step. First, children, you have to click on the start button. After when you click on the start button, the second step is you have to click on the shutdown button. After when you click on the shutdown button, they will you have to wait for a few seconds so that the monitor gets turned off. After monitor get turned off, the third step is you have to switch off the UPS button. After your third step is done, you have to move to the fourth step, that is switch off the power supply button. By this way, children, you can shut down your computer. Okay, children? Exercise textbook page number 13, question number 1. Write the first letter of the word for each pictures in the blank provided below. One has been done for you. You can see in A1 a C. C for crocodile, first letter C will come. Owl, from that O will come. Monkey, from that first letter M will come. Parrot, from that P will come. Umbrella, from that U will come. Turtle, from that first T will come. Elephant, from that E will come. And rhinoceros, from that R will come. When we will join these first letters of all the pictures, there is a one word, that is computer. So children, you have to write the spelling of this computer 3 times. Okay. Now let's move to the B1. First is what is the first one? Tell me, children. First one is a lizard. From the lizard, the first letter is L. From the apple, the first letter is a A. From pomegranate, a first letter is a P. From top, the first letter is a T. From octopus, the first letter is a O, and from pizza, the first letter is a P. So with the help of this picture, we make one word, that is laptop. Write this word 3 times, that is laptop. Okay, children. Now let's number 14. In page number 14, the second question is, look at the picture and answer that question that follows. Mr. Paul is working on a what? Desktop. Yeah. Her daughter Arya is watching a movie on her laptop. Okay, children? Now question number 3. Some of these fish are carrying placard bearing letters of the word computer. Look for the fish holding the right letter and color those placard red. Total number of fishes are 8 fishes are there. Okay. So you can see the blue one, the purple one, yellow one, pink one. There are total 8 fishes which are carrying the word laptop. Now children, let's move to the next page, that is 15. Page number 15. In the page number 15, there is a question number 4. A flock of birds are flying away with flashcards bearing some letters. Color those cards green that bear letter of the word laptop. So what you have to do, children, you have to see the alphabet and color that alphabet. So laptop is a lap. L, you have to color the L one. with the green color, then A with the again with the green color, T again with green color, then P, then again O, T O P. So O and P. So by like this you will color it and make a word laptop. Okay children. Now let's move to question number 5. Zen has to write the correct steps to start a computer. Help Zen by writing the correct numbers in the box given alongside each other. So how will Zen open open the computer? Okay, how the Zen will start the computer? I mean, okay children. So first he will on the power supply button. First one, then he will on the switch on the UPS button. After the UPS button, he will move to the CPU button. After the CPU button, what he will do, will switch on the monitor button. Okay children, now let's move to page number. In page number 16, there is a question filling the blanks with the correct order. To start a computer, which switch on the power button on the CPU cabinet and then the monitor button. Okay, now the B1 is the first screen that appears when the computer is switched on is called a desktop. Okay, now C1, the small pictures on the computers are we call it as a icons. Now D1, to shut down the computer, first click the dash button. Which button we will click? Start button. E1, to keep the UPS charged, the power supply is kept always on. The power supply is always kept on to charge the UPS. Now let's move to question number 7. Write T for the true statement and F for the false statement. A1, there is a proper way to start a computer. Yes, there is always a proper way to start a computer. So 2 will come. B1, to start a computer, switch on the monitor and then the power button on the CPU cabinet. False. To start a computer, first you have to switch on the power supply button and then second is the UPS and third is the CPU, then monitor button. Okay. Now C1 is to shut down a computer, first click the start button. True. To switch down a computer, first you have to click on the start button, then on the shutdown button. Okay children. Now in question number 8, 9 and 10 are omit children.